everyone. Yeah, my name is Kishore, and I'm gonna present my independent project. And the project is design and modeling of tap hand dryer using Solidworks. Okay, and the content for today's presentation is abstract, working, paths, rendered image, exploded views, advantages, and future goods. Yeah, abstract. Actually, in conventional hand dryers, there are some limitations. Like in most of the hand dryers, they only it is used for hand drying only. In some hand dryers models only, they have included the like tap features. So in this design, I have implemented another feature, new feature that using a disinfectant in my product, so that the single pot will contain all the three functions. I mean, hand drying, sanitation, and washing our hands. So by in this part, design, it consists of ball valves, pump motors, air filter, motors, IR sensors, and disinfectant containers. So all the parts are integrated into one to make a feasible design. Okay. Yeah, working. Actually, first I will show my design so that you can understand the function actually working. Yeah, this is my design actually. There are 4 sensors actually. One over here, two actually two sensors on the side walls of the tap handler body. One is over here, and the other one is here. Those two are for air hand dryer. One is at the bottom for water, and one is on top of the body for disinfectant, which will flow through this way. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The design of the tap hand dryer consists of 4 IR sensors. The one under the water outlet port that I showed, the two on the sides of the tap hand dryer, the one on top of the structure. The sensors near the water outlet port is sensed when we show our hand. So it sends the signal to the control board, which will immediately send the information to the ball valve, which will open the flow of the water for some limited time period. And then after that time period, it will automatically resist the flow of the water. Then if we send our hands near the hand drying area, the sensors on the sides of the wall will sense the hand, and it will sense the information. Likewise, it is done in the first case, and it will direct the motors to blow the strong air. And finally, the same as the last cases, the hand is sensed on top of the structure. So the sanitizer pump will pumps the disinfectant, and it will in the outlet port. Yeah, parts of the my tap hand dryer are body, IR sensors, motor, clamp which is used for motor, screw for the clamp motor, air filter, water pipe, bottom unit, door for bottom unit, motorized ball valve, pump motor, screw for those fittings for pump motor, bushes, and washer. Yeah, this is the main part of my design actually. My project body, in which it consists of it will hold the IR sensor and all the outlet ports of the air, water, and disinfectant. The IR sensor, motor. The work of the motor is to blow the strong air to dry your hands when the control board sends the signal to it, and it is placed inside the bottom unit. Air filter to filter the air which is passing through the motor to the outlet port. Yeah, wire pipe. It is used in between the body and the bottom unit to cover the path of the air, water. The pipe, air, water, and disinfectant will throw through some pipe, and it will cover that pipe. The bottom unit, where all the motor, air filter, disinfectant, motorized ball valve, and pump motor are present. This is the motorized ball valve. Pump motor, which is used to pump the disinfectant. Yeah, bushes. These bushes are used to hold the pipe with the body and the bottom unit, like a screw. Those are the rendered image of my project: front view, side view, and top view. Some of the isometric views. Yeah, exploded view of my project: four sensors and motors: pump motor, air filter, bottom unit, and screws and clamps, washer. Yeah, exploded view of each sub-assembly parts. But this is bottom unit. Yeah, this is pump motor, and this is motorized ball valve. Yeah, advantages of my project is that it needs very less space in the restroom, and yeah, it needs and it will do the functions of a three individual things. By using the hand dryer, we can minimize the use of the tissue papers, and less time it is required to wash, dry, and disinfect our hands. And my future goal is like reducing the, I mean, the main concentration is on cost efficient. So by reducing the sensors used in the tap hand dryer, and it is used to and it is controlled with the help of EC units, like reducing the number of sensors from 4 to 1, like that, and keeping it and doing the function like in a timed manner. This is my whole design project, actually, tap hand dryer. Okay. This part is known as the body of the tap hand dryer, where it consists of three ports. This port is air filter, and the bottom port over here. And this port is for water outlet, and this port is for sanitizer. Okay. When we wave our hand over here in this part of the sensor, oh, when we wave our hand over here in the sensor part, uh, the sensor gets sensed, and it will sends the signal to the control board, and the control board will send the signal to the uh, motorized ball valve over here. So the water flow will take place through this pipe. Okay, and it is like it is like timed manner. So after some time, motorized ball valve automatically gets shut. So after, when we wave our hands over near this sensor, and again the sensor will sense the signal to the control board, and the motor gets function, and it will sucks the air from the bottom or from here, and the air will pass through the air filter, and it blows a stronger through this way, and it gets outside in this port. And finally, when we wave our hand over the top of the structure, and the same function, the control board will send the signal to the pump over here. It will pump the sanitizer from this disinfectant container, and it will flow in the outlet port of the sanitizer. Yeah, no, that's it. Thank you.